Hello everyone, welcome back to Mount Wester channel. So as usual, today I would like to share with you the market analysis for the day. And before I start, let's start with a disclaimer that this is not a recommendation to buy or sell shares or trade in any positions, right? It's basically my trading journal, and this is basically I'm basically sharing what am I actually doing to place my trade. So without further ado, let us start with the market. How was the market yesterday? Let's see. I think market is doing pretty well. Yesterday, there is a up. So basically, I would say it is still a bullish market. Basically, the market went up, then dropped back down a bit to 20 EMA, and then moved back up again. So yeah, this one is actually a pretty good. I would have to say it's quite it's considered bullish to me. So yeah, so the support level is I would still keep my support level at 3580, or using the EMA to guide me. Like maybe if it dropped to 20 EMA or dropped to 50 EMA, then there's a good chance for me to enter further SPX position, right? So I think yeah, generally it's still bullish. And let us take a look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also very bullish. Basically, it bounced back off from the 20 EMA very beautifully. So yeah, I think it is a very nice trend, bullish trend, and I think the support level would be somewhere around here. Sorry. Support level somewhere around here for Nasdaq. Somewhere here for Nasdaq. So basically the support level for Nasdaq is around 12,200, and once touch 12,200 it will bounce back up. That's my personal view on Nasdaq, right? So we shall see. Okay, we shall see see how far it can go. Then who knows, this can be the next support. Maybe it bounce up, down, down, up, down, then move up again. I don't know how it moves, but generally I think this one is pretty this support line is pretty clear. The support is actually at around 12,200. Okay, so if you are looking to enter into some NDX position, maybe you can consider when it bounces back down to 12,200, you may want to enter some position on NDX. That's my personal view. Otherwise, use the EMA as the guide, right? For me, this is how I look at the charts. All right, so I do have a new stock to share for today. Let me check. Oh yeah, so DQ last time I did 15th of December I did mention. Oh, yesterday I didn't do daily market updates. It's because I was out the whole day, and I don't manage to do a video yesterday. So yesterday I didn't do any stock screening, but on the 17th of December, which is today, So basically I realized today, I started realize that DQ actually have, last time it hasn't break above 6 months high, but right now it already broke, right? When we saw the first valid entry, it hasn't broke above 6 month high, but yesterday or the day before, actually it already broke. It already broke. It's just that yesterday I didn't go and take a look at the market. So today I realized that it already broke. So this would be my entry price. I would like to place an order at this entry price. And let's see whether it gets triggered tonight. Okay, let's take a look at DQ first. See, when we realize the first valid entry, valid entry, it was actually over. It was actually here. This is the first valid signal. So I did not place entry at this and this day. I'm supposed, if when I see the first valid entry, supposingly I should be placing a trade on this day. Sorry. I supposed to I'm supposed to place an entry on this day, because because I realized that it hasn't break a new high. This is the last new high. This is the last high, right? It hasn't break the last high on this candle. That's why I rather wait for this valid candle to break new high. Then only I enter on the, then only I decide to enter on the next day, which is this day. Which is this day. But however, I haven't, because yesterday I was very busy with my personal stuff, so I didn't really take a look at I didn't really take a look at the thing. So today I decided to enter again. I decided to enter today, basically. So my entry price, yesterday closing was 57.28. My entry price was actually set at 56.97. Let's see whether it gets triggered. Okay, I actually set an entry at 56.97. Let's see whether it gets triggered. And yeah, so that's it. And okay, so this is DQ. Let's take a look at the next scan that I managed to get is PayPal. PayPal is also one of my favorite stocks. Basically, for PayPal, right, I have very long-term investment on PayPal. So for PayPal, I don't really wait for a signal or whatsoever, because to me, PayPal fundamentally is a very strong company. Why I say that is because people in US use online purchases a lot, right? Because that is the reason why Amazon also shoot up very high. Everything is about e-commerce. Everything is about buying online. So PayPal actually came into picture when people are actually buying online. So that's why I have very strong conviction on PayPal. So that is the reason why for PayPal, I personally have long-term position. But today I managed to scan PayPal as the second valid entry. The first valid arrow does not break 6 months high, but this second valid arrow actually broke a 6 months high. So I will set a buy price at 231.19 follow the system. Basically, this particular market analysis, this particular daily market analysis is supposed to follow the system, entry and exit following the system. So for PayPal, I decided to enter this particular counter through following this system. I will not touch my long-term position. Long-term position, just leave it there as a long-term. But for now, this will serve as a buy signal for me as a second valid signal. The first valid signal, as I said, because it doesn't break 6 months high, so I didn't pick up this stock. But for the second valid arrow, which is this one, this is basically already broke 6 months high. Let us take a look at the chart. Let us take a look at the chart. How come this thing appear here? So basically, this is the valid entry. This is the valid signal. This is the valid entry. So basically, I'm setting this candle high at another 0.02%, and then that is the valid entry price. Let's see whether it gets triggered. If it doesn't get triggered, then I will continue the set new high, continue to set. If let's say it retraces tonight today, then maybe I cannot get to enter. If let's say the price today actually dropped a bit, right, then I will mark a new high here. If let's say the price drop again, then I will mark another new high to enter into this particular position. Otherwise, if today gets triggered, then it will just get triggered at this high. All right, that's how it goes. So yep, PayPal, yep, is my one of the counter that generates good returns to me. And oh, I remember a few days back I talked about Amazon. Let's see, wow, it broke. The other day, a few days back or last week, middle of last week, I actually mentioned about Amazon that this price has been squeezed inside this triangle, and I'm waiting for the price to move up, break. I'm waiting for the price to break above this triangle line, right? I'm basically waiting for it to break. It already broke. Yesterday closing already broke. So yeah, so I have actually I have sell put position already on Amazon. Amazon is a very expensive share, so I wouldn't buy share directly. So I basically did a sell put options. Yes, it's a bullish trade basically. So because it break here, already placed and sell put entry, I also already placed a very short-term call, very short-term vertical call on this position. Most likely I will take profit at around 3,300. All right, it's a very short-term play to me, and I will continue to sell put as long as it doesn't go below this support. As long as this Amazon, okay, the price doesn't go below this support line. This is the support line to me. So as long as it doesn't go below this support line, then I will continue to sell put. And yes, whenever it retraces, I will do a very short-term buy call. This is my plan for Amazon. So basically, this is something that I would like to share. All right. So yeah, that's all for today. And happy trading, happy investing, and yes, that's all for today. And I see you again tomorrow. And that's it. Okay, bye bye.